Good morning, this is Sue at Perfectly Pure and Natural. Today I'm going to show you how to dehydrate apples. The first thing I have done is I have put some apples in my sink and I am washing them. And after I get done washing them, I will be cutting them up. And I have a bucket here with some water and a little bit of lemon juice in it. Now, I do not core and peel my apples. I do like the fiber on the outside of them. You can use an apple peeler, core, or slicer. I like to just core them and slice them. It does take a little bit longer time, but this is just the way I personally like to do it. These were bought locally. We live in Minnesota, and it's quite cold right now. And about 10 days ago, 2 weeks ago, we picked apples, and I have been dehydrating them and juicing them. So I'd like to make a couple videos here while I do it. So the first thing I do is I get a corer, and I'm going to just core the apple. And I just push that through, and now I've got it cored, and then I'm going to slice it in half. And then the first thing I do is I start cutting up into about 1/4-inch pieces. And I like them a little bit on the thicker side. I like it when I actually dehydrate them and you can actually get something. I mean, I just feel like they're nicer and a little bit bigger. So beautiful apples. I'm going to put these in my citrus water to keep them from getting real brown. They will get a little bit brown, but as you can see here, I've just, I'm trying to keep them as nice looking as I possibly can. The next step after we get these cored, I usually take them out of there and I'll put them in a strainer. And the only reason I do that is just to strain a little bit of that excess water off of there. And I don't leave them sit in there very long. Then the next thing I do is I have a dehydrator. I have a Bosch. And I will start arranging them on my dehydrator tray. And I do pretty much have a pattern down because I've done so many batches of these. I kind of go back and forth with my apples, and I'll show you that in a second here, how I've done that. This is how they look on my tray. Let's see.